Have you ever walked into a space and immediately felt good? It's not about how expensive it looks, because it feels alive. Maybe it's the sunlight landing on a houseplant. Maybe it's the breeze moving your curtains. Maybe it's the space that makes you breathe a little deeper. That's what I mean by consciousness in your home. Not only a place for your stuff, a place that responds to you, a home that wakes up when you walk in. We started with desire, then we tuned in with attunement. Now let's finish the job. Let's make your home bloom. Conscious homes have a pulse. You'll see it in the small details. A plant on your desk catching the morning light. A chair that's actually in the best spot for people watching. A mug that fits your hand perfectly. A photo on the wall that reminds you to smile. Forget the jungle. What matters is intention. Science has a name for this. It's biophilia. It means we need to be around life. Add a little green, a little memory, a little texture, and your whole body responds. Here's a story. I worked with the CEO once. His office looked like a magazine spread. It was sleek, spotless, impressive. He told me, "I don't feel like myself in here." So we changed a few things, added a few plants, swapped generic art for something bold, pulled out his old travel books, and brought in his favorite baseball glove as a paperweight. Suddenly the space had a heartbeat. He started using the office to think, to create, not only to meet and answer emails. That's what a consciousness space does. It gives back. Here's your move this week. Pick a room, any room. Stand in the doorway and ask, what's one thing I could add or switch to make this spot feel more alive? Maybe it's a bright cushion. Maybe it's your kids' artwork on the fridge. Maybe it's using your grandmother's china that's meant for special occasions. Want a real challenge? Try changing one thing in a different room every day this week. Notice what happens. Write it down if you want. What feels different? What feels better? When's the last time you walked into your home and thought, this place feels like me? Let me know in the comments. I read all of them. If you want more ideas, check out my episode on attunement. The two go hand in hand. And if this episode spoke to you, share it with a friend who might enjoy it too. Consciousness isn't a trend. It's the oldest principle in living well. See you next time. Hopefully somewhere green and definitely somewhere alive. I'm John Ross, and I help people create homes that feel truly alive, consciousness, and deeply personal.